Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check events on the Hayday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my farm, and you can add different buildings to your farms. For example, I have a house, chicken farm and bakery, but this game have other buildings. If you want to check the events on the game, click to the letter icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the news section you can find for example, the April events, and to click to the watch button, you can open a link, for example, on the YouTube, and you can see the events. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.